friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into another beautiful DIY project using a small sign house that I got from Dollar Tree. First we are crafting a realistic house door with craft sticks. I am lining down 4 sticks, leaving a gap between them and using 2 smaller sticks for the top and bottom. Another stick goes across the 4, forming the outline of this door. After trimming the edges, I will cut a small piece from a white poster as a base for the door. Let's assemble everything using some wood glue. Laying them down, put the 4 sticks first and other 2 smaller on top. One on top and one on bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaving a gap between them. Hot glue the 2 sticks and other one across. And voila, the door is ready. Now it's time to create a tiny window. Cut another small square from this poster to create a base for this window, and we need 4 more sticks to create a square window. We want to add some charm, so let's create a tiny curtain with this piece of lace ribbon and form a window. Then you cut out pieces of jute just to form kind of cross to form a window and glue it there by using this Mod Podge. After that, I'm painting the door and the window with this lovely shade of green chalk paint. Nice color. Let them dry, and now let's get creative with these egg cartons. The egg cartons have a fantastic natural stone texture, will work perfectly for crafting miniature bricks. Let's see what I'm doing now. After cutting out a batch of small rectangles, I apply some Mod Podge on the house's surface and start laying out our brick pattern. And I'm spacing the bricks in an alternating pattern for an authentic look. We are placing the bricks starting from the right, and we are leaving a small gap between them for the first line. And our second line, we are centering the brick underneath the first one and sticking them down with Mod Podge or white glue. As you see there is a brick between each 2 bricks. And we continue placing them. In today's video, another part of monthly collaboration called Napkin Exchange Challenge, hosted by Sarah at Sunflowers and DIY, and co-hosted by me, Meriem from Craft with Meriem. I was glad when Sarah invited me to be the co-host for this month. Thank you, Sarah. This month, we are sending and receiving DIY assignments from other crafty friends using napkins in our creations. In this video, I take on the challenge from Oria at DIY with Oria channel, who asked me to create a DIY using a house from Dollar Tree and napkins. The result? A stunning miniature brick house made from egg carton and napkins. Join me as I guide you through these fun, creative, and budget-friendly DIY projects. Also, I sent mine to Sharon at From Ship to Chic channel. I asked her to create something. Don't forget to check out her video as well. So don't forget to check out the host and the co-host channels, as well as the full Napkin Exchange Challenge playlist linked in the description box below. You will enjoy watching crafty friends making incredible DIYs using napkins. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Stay tuned for more creative and exciting DIY challenges. Look at this texture, I like it. With a coat of brown overlay wax, these bricks really start to look the part. One by one. Now to bring a splash of color, I am mixing some yellow and red paint for the perfect brick color. Mix. Start from the bottom. Add a little bit of water just to give the color that we want. Time for decoration. I have got this beautiful napkin from Crafty Friend. I am loving the curved pattern and it will make for a fantastic roof. Let's see how it turned out. We are sticking a piece of this napkin on top of this poster to make it hard piece and cut out the curve like this to make a roof. Voila, we are making 2 pieces. Before we install the roof, let's add some of this decorative napkin around the house with Mod Podge. It adds a whole new level of charm. Voila, as you see, some Mod Podge, some napkin around. For the house's backing, we are using an image from an old calendar and frame from Dollar Tree, adding it with Mod Podge and the help of parchment paper and this mini iron to avoid any air bubbles. Go up and down and around to add it there. After hot gluing the 2 roof pieces, it's time to decorate the wooden home sign. We apply some Mod Podge on top of this home sign to cover it with the same napkin. Cut a piece of napkin, glue it there on top of this home sign, cover all around the sign. We are using the parchment paper and this mini iron to ensure a perfect fit. Voila. And a little magic with the lighter removes any excess napkin and we sand it down for a neat finish. Let's see. Bum. On each corner. Some Mod Podge on top to seal this on the surface of this house too. Add in 1 piece of jingle bells in the back of this house to glue it there on the frame and home using hot glue. We are adding kind of shadow with this chalk pen that I got from Dollar Tree all around this home sign to give a nice look. Et voilà, voilà. Et voilà maintenant. Let's see how it turned out. And there you have it, a beautiful piece of decor made with egg cartons and napkins. Let me know in your comment below if you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And thank you so much for watching, for all your sweet comments. And let's get creative again soon. A bientôt. Bye.